Hi, this is Kelly from paperbeadrollers.com, and today I'm here to show you the new design for December 2021 of our 12x12 pattern paper designed specifically for making paper beads. While you can use this paper for other projects, it's specifically created with variations in color and small designs that will look perfect when you're cutting and rolling paper beads. Here's a sample of many different designs made with this paper, from your traditional bicone shaped bead to the barrel bead where you can actually see a full pink heart. This paper is 70 pounds and it's 12 by 12 in size. You can buy it in 1 sheet or 10 sheet packs. You can also join our monthly pattern paper subscription to get a 20% discount on a 10 pack of paper, and you'll be the first one to get the new design every month. No more standing in that paper aisle, staring down the row, wondering which paper is going to look good with your paper beads. You know that when you buy paper from paperbeadrollers.com, it's going to look fabulous when it's rolled into a paper bead. Join me for next month's design and make sure you subscribe to get the next paper bead tutorial on my YouTube channel.